To set up custom watch face on that HUAWEI Watch Fit 5 Pro, well, first of all, just start by opening the HUAWEI Health application, go for Devices, and right now select your device and go to the My Faces. And what you can do, when you go to the Manage Local Watch Faces, you can set two types of a custom watch face. By using a video, so yes, you can actually set your video as a watch face, or you can set your photo by using the gallery. So in my case, I'm just going to show you how we can do this with photo. Go for this, now click on the plus. If you are using this for the first time, you will have to grant permission into the gallery, so you will be redirected into the phone settings. You have to find HUAWEI Health application. I'm just going to show you maybe step by step because there's too much talking. Go for apps, find the HUAWEI Health application, go for permissions, and now just grant from not allowed to the photos and videos. Now we can just simply select your image or video as you want. Maybe I would like to get this one, just for example. I would like to zoom in as close as possible. For example, the Gemini button. Click on the right upper corner, and of course here you can just customize it like you want. There's a lot of things that you can actually set, and after that click Save button and take a look. Right now it's going to transfer this image, and we just successfully set a custom watch face.